There's a reason why Filipinos would cook this on special occasions, because it's just that good. Look how tender this is. Filipino Kaldereta. Oh my God. All right, for this recipe, I'm using part beef, part lamb. Just want to switch it up a little bit. And it's on sale. But obviously, you can keep it all beef if you want, okay? We're just gonna marinate this with soy sauce and some black pepper. Give it a good mix. Marinate for at least an hour. Butter, a touch of oil, onion, and garlic. All right, we're gonna cook this until it's nice and golden. Then we're gonna add some tomato paste. Saute that. Then we're going to add our meat. And we're gonna add some tomato sauce and water. And a beef bouillon cube. All right, once it starts to boil, we're gonna cover it. And we're gonna let it simmer for around an hour and a half to 2 hours, or until it's very tender. All right, some oil, potatoes and carrots in the baking tray. A little bit of salt. All right, traditionally people fry this, but I really don't want to do that. So we're just gonna roast it in the oven until it gets a nice color. All right, it's been an hour and 45 minutes. What I like to do is just skim a lot of that fat off. I tend to quickly lose my appetite whenever I eat something super fatty. But if you really like rich and savory foods, you don't have to do this. Cooking is all about preference, you know? Recipes are just meant to guide you. It's not absolute. You don't have to follow step by step. Now we're going to add our veggies, bell peppers, peanut butter. A little bit goes a long way. Olives. I actually washed these to reduce the sodium. The roasted veggies. Give that a good mix. And the secret ingredient, liver pâté. This really takes the dish to a next level, adding a lot of depth of flavor, just adding a touch of sugar for balance, and lastly, some cheese. Gonna finish it with some black pepper. Oh my God. This tastes like beef stew with a PhD of deliciousness. The complexity of this dish is crazy. The richness of the meat and the lamb, the umami coming from the liver pâté, the cheese, balanced by the tartness of the olive, the freshness of the vegetables, and obviously balanced with white rice. It's just a wonderful amalgamation of flavors, you feel me? It's so flavorful that I won't suggest eating it often. It has to be a treat, or else it's just sensory overload. I don't know what to tell you. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And if you love this video, please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to buy my parents a house this year, and your subscribe would help greatly. Thank you so much for your support. See you next time.